How to set destinations and get follow-up rides on FreeNow. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be discussing about how to get or set destination and get follow-up rides on FreeNow application. So first thing, just head over to your Play Store and make sure you have downloaded and installed the FreeNow application and simply open the application, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. Now to set a destination and get follow-up rides on FreeNow, just open the application and enter your pickup and drop-off location. Once you enter your pickup location, if the app hasn't automatically detected your location, you can as well manually enter your pickup address and simply input your desired drop-off location. And once you do all of that, just double check the addresses and select your preferred ride option and just tap pre-book if applicable or order to confirm your ride. And just like that, you have successfully set the destination and will be getting your follow-up rides on FreeNow. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.